How's it going, everybody? This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is several different things because I've not had time to make videos, guys. But before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This little redneck from Arkansas will never ask you for a dime, guys. I don't need money to grow or anything like that. The only thing I ask for, anybody that I mention in my videos will always have a link in the description below, as well as my email will be in the description below as well, if you ever need to get a hold of me. All right, thank you, guys. And with that being said, all right, y'all know I haven't been making very many videos. I've just not had time. You know, my job, my 12-hour shifts have they went away, and they moved us all to an 8-hour shift, and with my wife's doctor's appointments, treatments, and everything, it wasn't feasible for me to stay on day shift because I'd be missing all the time and stuff. So I just went to third shift. So during the day I can take her. I just might do it without a little bit of sleep. Y'all know the deal. You do what you do. And so with that being said, you know, I haven't been on a third shift in a long time, guys, and I'm older. I was a lot younger when I was working third shift all the time. So it's taken me a minute to get used to it. So sorry if, guys, I've not been putting much out there, but I am working on some things and stuff. And like I said, this video is going to be a tribute to Senior, old Terry. You know, at Hobby Barn, everybody knows the deal. You know, we lost him. He was a fine, outstanding man in this community. We all will miss him and love him. And I'm going to do my part, and I will get the decals either ordered today or tomorrow, but that will happen. And I will put some of them somewhere on there. This is going to be a mail call. And if y'all don't know, today is Eclipse Day, total solar eclipse. And Boonville, Arkansas is like ground zero. We're like dead in the center of it, guys. It's going to be like straight over us. So I'm going to try to get footage of that here after a while. I ain't going to film all of it because, you know, it's a long process. It starts like at 12:30 to 3 something when it ends. But to be dead over us, I think is going to be like around 1:50. So I'll dang sure go out there about then, and I'll put my welding helmet on, and I'll film it for you guys if you want to see the total solar eclipse. Woo! But so there, that will be that. And let's get this video started. All right, y'all know Brian at Got Fuels Model Car Garage, Pappy Fred Henry, Georgia Rod and Customs. They are throwing this tribute group build, and it is for Hobby Barn, old Terry Senior. And well, this is what I'm going to build. You know, I got to thinking, I was like, you know, he likes everything. He builds anything, and he would be happy with anything. But I got to thinking, man, what would Terry drive in the 70s in the back roads of Kentucky? What would Terry Senior drive? Well, I think I thought of it. I think I got what Terry would drive. Him being a redneck like me, this was something I'd drive. We're going to build this vintage 120 scale MPC hijacker kit. Box is rough, but the thing is complete. Well, it is missing a few parts I have to scratch build, but it's nothing minor. It hadn't been built other than just missing a few parts here and there, but the box is super rough, guys. But yeah, he's going to have a Ford Econoline 4-wheel drive hunting and fishing van. That is what we're making. You know, vans were a big thing back in the 70s, very early 80s. And a 4-wheel drive van? Hell yeah. So that's what we're going to do, guys. I think he would love it. You know, I could just picture Terry now in the backwoods of Kentucky, running up the mountains and the back street, or the back dirt roads, and yeah, up creek banks and everything. That'd be pretty cool. All right, love you, Terry. You will be missed. Okay, and with that being said, I hate to put all these videos into one, guys. I've just not been having time. He deserves one by himself, I understand, and so does the next person and everything. But guys, I apologize. I've just not had time. This is the only time I've squeezed in this week. Then my next thing is I got a mail call today. Unexpected mail call from my buddy Gary Knight. Gary Knight is another British guy. You know John. You know I love John. He's my homie, John Bailey. But Gary Knight is another homie from over there in England, and he's like me and John both. We love our vintage model kits. We love to see vintage models restored. You know, it don't matter if it's new. You know, they've never been, still sealed. We'll rip them things open. We'll build them. Models are meant to be built. It's just plastic, guys. No matter how old or rare it is. The whole hobby is to build models, guys. I understand I got a lot of vintage boxes, models still in the boxes, and I do plan on getting to them, and some of them I have built. And I'm going to get to them. I plan on it. And of course, I'm realistically going to die before that happens. But I do plan on building them, guys. 100% I plan on building them. And they feel the same way. They build, they buy, they sell, they trade, whatever. They build and they restore vintage kits. Trying to keep these vintage models out there. There's nothing better than vintage plastic, guys. I love everything Round 2's doing these days. A lot of people don't like Round. A lot of people don't like AMT, MPC. But you know what? Screw you guys, man. Y'all build what y'all want to build. I love them. I love all kits. I love everything. But I'm not a model snob. Let me put it to you that way. This has always been my hobby ever since a kid. It didn't matter what it was. It could have been a Palmer kit. And y'all know that's the worst kit you can get. It could have been a Palmer kit, but I was happier than crap to build it. 100% happy. And I like the way that makes me feel when I build it. I know I got my buddies, and I got buddies that are excellent. I mean, these guys are show winners, model detailers, and they won't touch a kit like this. And that's what they want to do. And that's what this modeling community is about. You do you, booze. But this guy right here, he loves the vintage kits. Don't get me wrong. I love my Tamiyas and Hossy Gawaz and all that crap. I like it all, but my love is vintage kits. Johan, MPC, AMT annuals, guys that just don't get no better than that. But so yeah, I'm rambling, guys. I'm gonna shut up. But hey, my buddy Gary Knight, lo and behold, sent this to me out of the blue today. Look at this. And guys, this is super rare in the US because it's under the Airfix badge, but it's actually MPC annual kit under the Airfix badge. It's MPC or AMT, I can't remember exactly. It's one of them. You guys, Tom, you guys that know more than I do, you'll know exactly, but check that out. Look at that. This kit is 100% complete. The only thing it is missing is that driver figure right there. But man, it is awesome. Look at that. And this is the original. This ain't the AMT 90s, late 80s, early 90s, whenever they remolded and retooled it. This is not. This is the old tooling. This is an annual. This is very rare. And it is very rare under this right here. Airfix of England. Right there. Thank you, Gary. Love you, brother. Oh my God, that is awesome. And then not only did he send me that, he also, knowing that I'm an MG guy, I love MGs, British cars, any British cars. I've owned several MGs, still own a couple MGs. Look at that. MG right there, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. That is a Oxford Toys, I guess. Kind of like your Dinkies and Matchbox and stuff over there from England. That is going to go on my shelf. You'll always see it in the background. Awesome. Not only did he send me that, but he also sent me this right here. Look at that. There's a Dinkies Toys. Look at that. There's a Triumph TR2, guys. Triumph TR2. and this one is blue. Shows blue right there. It's just like that. Let me open this bad boy up. The only thing was within when it got transported here, the box got a little bit crushed, and it got moved around the little windshield. It's in there, but it got busted, and I can either glue it back or make me a new one. But either way, that, look how beautiful that is. That is absolutely sexy. Look at that. That, my friends, is beautiful. You know, I've even built the TR2, and I have it up there in a case somewhere. It was the Goon Sanyo kit. I built it, and I even I resin cast an engine, put an engine in it, and heck yeah, that is absolutely awesome right there. I'm gonna have to build me another, because I got several of these Goon Sanyo kits. I'm gonna have to build me a model and put the 25 on it and do it just like that. That is absolutely amazing. I think those both would look good sitting on the shelf together. Let me get that thing put in there. That way I don't lose that little glass piece that broke off of it. But man, thank you, Gary. Love you, brother. Love you. Gosh, we have such an awesome modeling community, guys. There's nothing better. There's nothing better than this community. Yeah, that was just awesome. That was awesome. Just, I wasn't even expecting it. Thank you, Gary. I really, really, really do appreciate you, brother. So awesome. Yeah. And stick around if you want to see this solar eclipse, guys. You know, some people saying it's the apocalypse, so, you know, whatever. If it is, hey, we're going to see it together. All right, guys. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye. Guys, if you'll look right now, it's getting pretty much totally dark out here. It is pretty much totally dark. I'm looking up at the sky. It's just about totally eclipsed, even though you ain't going to tell by this stupid phone. Look how dark. You're not looking straight up at it, are you? There's a star or something right there. Total eclipse. It's total eclipse right here. Give me that welding. Let's see what it does. Total eclipse right there, guys. Look. It's green. Total green. Total eclipse. Look at that. Right there, it's green. Total eclipse, guys. Total eclipse. Right there, look at there. Total eclipse. Planes are flying over. Total eclipse, guys. Look there. Total eclipse. Right there, guys. Total darkness. Total eclipse. Total darkness, guys. Total darkness.